Hello, great investors. I'm here at Peak Prime Phase 2. It's a new listing. We just launched this estate today. You can see a lot of people came. They came with their clients to see this beautiful estate at OKUN AJAH. It's motorable. People are living around. We have so many nice beach resorts around. Like if you take a closer look, you see Barracuda Beach Resort. There's a dry land. Here we are doing terraces. Okay, right now, this Peak Prime Phase 2 is located at OKUN AJAH by ADESANYA. And right here, we are going to be doing 2-bedroom duplex plus BQ, which is going for 25 million naira now, presently, because it's a new listing. That's why the price is still low. Then we have 3-bedroom terrace duplex plus BQ, which is 30 million naira. And we have 3-bedroom fully detached bungalow plus penthouse going for 35 million naira. The estate facility is what you'll be expecting in this beautiful estate. We are going to be having gym, swimming pool, the CCTV camera, estate inside an existing estate, paved road, dedicated transformer with 24 hours electricity, water treatment plant, and bow digester. As you can see, this place is a dry land. A lot of people came for inspection. I would want you to key in now because it's a new listing. They just launched today. We just launched today. And we have different payment plans for this particular estate. And from the estate, you can view this beautiful beach. Let me take you around. Wow, this is beautiful. I would say it's an ocean view. A lot of people actually came for inspection. So the best time to buy is now. The best time to invest is now, before the price goes up. Peak Prime Phase 2. I still remain Berlin Estate Land and Houses. You can call me on 070-3838-0608. My name is Linda. Thank you so much.